Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find General. Then let's scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset all settings. Let's simply tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. Moreover, no data or media will be deleted, so basically it will reset the settings, such as the screen timeout, for example. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset All Settings. If you're sure, tap on Reset All Settings. However, be aware because this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset All Settings if you're ready and if you're sure, and your device will right now reset everything. Probably it will need to be restarted, but it will happen automatically. Just wait until it will be turned on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.